how to open Scratch, you can click on Start button, or you can write in the search box Scratch. After downloading the Scratch app, you will be able to access it. When you will write in the search box, you can see here Scratch desktop app is here. Click on this app, or you can directly click on this shortcut icon that you can see on the desktop. This one shortcut icons, when you double click on it, Scratch desktop will appear. This is our Scratch window. Today, firstly, we will discuss about this window and each and every part components of Scratch. As you know, the first and the topmost bar of every window is called title bar. So this is our title bar. This red color rectangular box you can see, this is our title bar. And the second one, this bar is called menu bar. This bar is called menu bar. Menu bar basically contains sub menus, like when you will click on file, there is option new, save. In the edit, you will find the another sub menus. So menu bar contains sub menus like new, save. And the third one is this one. This is called sprite. You can see at the right side this pink color rectangular box I have placed here. So this is called sprite. What is the meaning of sprite? Sprite is, this is called sprite. Sprite is basically a small graphical character that perform action, but it is sprite. So sprite is basically a small graphic character that perform action in a project. By default, you can see one cat is here. But if we want to change the sprite, we can change the sprite also. From here, we can change it. I am showing this yellow color, one rectangular yellow box I am presenting. See this one. This pink color rectangular box you can see here. From here, we can change this character. Or if we want to add it, we can add it. How we can add it? Just click on it. And after that, you can see there are a lot of characters. At the top side, you can see all animals categories are here. Peoples, fantasy, dance, music, all are here. Which one you want to take? Just take that one. That one will be inserted here. So like that, we can insert more sprite. Means more graphical characters we can insert. What it will work? When we will make the project, we will provide some actions. Like we want this cat will move, or we want it will jump. So like that, we can perform any action in our project. So these are called sprite. Next one is this one you can see. This is called stage. This yellow box, the complete, this one is called stage. Stage is basically the area where we place our sprite and it is divided into x and y coordinate. You can see this horizontally is called x coordinate and the vertically it is called y coordinate. So whatever action we will give, it will perform on the stage. This is the stage area. The next one is code block. Very important is that one, code block. These are our codes. You can see here. There are different categories of code like motion, looks, sounds, events. Many codes are here. And in each code, you can see number of code blocks are here like this one. This one is of motion. When we will click on looks, then different blocks of code will appear. I'm showing to you like when we will click on looks, then different block of code will appear. Same like that sounds, or you can use this scroll bar also. It will display here like first one is motion, the next one is looks like that. So this one is called code blocks. Next one is script. This area you can see this one, this complete white area, it is called script. Script is basically, this is complete is called script area. Script area is basically the area where we will place our codes. Like if I want to take from motion block, for example, I want to turn 15 degrees. So what I will do, I will just drag and drop it. For dragging, we will press mouse left click and we will hold down the mouse left click, and after placing it, we will release it. So we will place our blocks of code in the stage area. It is basically used to create our program. So like this, for example, I am changing here turn 90 degrees. When we will click on it, you can see this drum is turning. So like that. So it will work, it will perform the action in the stage area, but we will place our block of code in this script area. So this pink color box, this is our script area, and this one with the yellow box, this is our stage area. So we will make the coding in the script area and it will perform action in this stage. Clear? And the next one is add extension. This option is available in the latest version. In the earlier version, older version, this option is not available. So I am showing to you this, which one is this one. At the bottom left side, you can see this is our add extension. So we can add other blocks, add extension of other blocks also. And we can also add the different characters like to speak in another language. And if we want to translate the language, basically it is used to add some extra features. We can use add extension. So different extension we can add in our program. So these are the components of Scratch.